What if your RV never ran out of power again? No noise, no fuel, just pure sunlight. Welcome back! Today I'll reveal the top 5 best solar generator for RVs that keep your adventures alive anywhere. Stick around to discover reliable, silent power and grab your perfect pick through the links in description. On number 5 is EF ECOFLOW Delta 3 Plus. What if your RV power could jump from 0 to ready in under an hour? That's where the EF EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus changes the game. Fast charging? With 1500-watt alternating current input, you hit 80% in just 40 minutes, perfect for road life. Solar keeps it clean, quiet, and reliable, solving the biggest RV problem, running out of power off-grid. And yes, it handles up to 13 devices at once. Impressive, right? Compared with others, it feels faster and smarter, especially with its intelligent energy app and near-instant 10-millisecond backup switch. The lithium iron phosphate battery lasts years, giving real peace of mind. Downsides? The price is premium and expansion costs extra. But if you want dependable, silent energy for RV trips, this is a smart, future-proof choice. Would you trust this on your next adventure? At number 4 is ABOK Portable Power Station. What if one power station could run almost your entire RV without breaking a sweat? Meet the ABOK Portable Power Station. And this one feels seriously powerful. First, capacity. 3,840 watt-hours, expandable to 11,520 watt-hours. That's real freedom on the road. But here's where it gets better. Output hits 3,600 watts, handling nearly everything you throw at it. No more choosing between appliances. Frustrated with slow charging? This solves it, reaching full power in about 1.29 hours with combined input. Fast, efficient, stress-free. Compared with others, it feels more like a home backup than just portable gear. Built with lithium iron phosphate, it's made to last years. Peace of mind matters, right? Downsides? It's heavy and premium priced. Still, if you want serious RV power and reliability, this is a confident, long-term investment. Would you go all in on this level of power? On number 3 is AFERIY 3,840 watt-hours. What if your RV could stay powered for days without stress or noise? The AFERIY 3,840 watt-hour power station answers that, and it feels like true freedom. First, capacity and confidence. With lithium iron phosphate cells and expandable energy up to 11.5 kilowatt-hour, you're not just camping, you're living comfortably. But here's the real hook. A near-instant backup switch under 10 milliseconds keeps essentials running smoothly. No interruptions, no panic. Struggling with slow charging? This one refuels in about 1.5 hours. Quick, reliable, ready again. Compared with others, it balances power and smart control beautifully with its app and multiple ports. Downsides? It's bulky and not budget-friendly. Still, if you want long-lasting RV power and peace of mind, this is a solid pick. Would this level of backup change your travel game? At number 2 is EF ECOFLOW Delta Pro 3. What if your RV could power almost everything, just like a home? The EF ECOFLOW Delta Pro 3 makes that bold promise feel real. Let's break it down. First, raw power. 4,000 watt output, pushing up to 6,000 watts when needed. That means air conditioners, pumps, heavy loads, handled. Now here's the twist. A massive 4,096 watt-hour battery, expandable to 48 kilowatt-hour. This is long-term freedom, not just backup. Worried about noise? It runs as quiet as a whisper, perfect for peaceful nights. And that 10 millisecond instant switch keeps everything stable. No stress, no interruptions. Compared with others, it feels more complete, more future-ready. Downsides? It's expensive and not lightweight. Still, if you want serious, reliable RV energy, this is a powerhouse worth trusting. Would you rely on this level of control? Now moving to the last one is Anker SOLIX F3800. What if your RV could run like a fully powered home, even off-grid? The Anker SOLIX F3800 makes that idea feel real fast. Let's start strong. 3,840 watt-hour capacity, expandable to massive levels, meaning days of stress-free power. Now here's the kicker. A full 6,000 watt output with dual voltage. This handles everything, even heavy RV appliances without compromise. Tired of complicated setups? Just plug it directly into your RV. Simple, clean, reliable. And yes, it even charges electric vehicles. Impressive, right? Compared with others, this feels more versatile and future-ready. Built with durable lithium iron phosphate, it promises long-term peace of mind. Downsides? It's heavy and premium priced. Still, if you want powerful, all-in-one RV energy, this is a smart, confident investment. Would you trust this level of power on your journey? If you want one clear winner, go with the Anker SOLIX F3800. It delivers the perfect balance of raw power, flexibility, and real RV convenience. With 6,000 watt output and dual voltage, it runs everything without compromise. The expandable capacity gives long-term freedom, not limits. Unlike others, it plugs directly into your RV, no hassle. Yes, it's heavy and premium priced, but you're buying reliability, peace of mind, and true off-grid independence. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best solar generator for RV. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.